My name is Ed Willis. I'm the owner of American Bird Company in Falls Church, Virginia. We can sell any kind of bird that we can get. We do grooming, so you will trim your bird's wings or nails if you need that done. We do boarding, so just about everything that can be done with your bird will help you with it. It's gender defying, it's culturally defying. Any person can be a bird person, you just don't know. I mean, I've had guys walk in here with rasta braids down below their knees, and you know they're in love with a tiny parakeet. And then you know we have gay people, we have old people, we have young people, everybody seems to like birds. The cat people don't do real well with birds. Since 1989, all birds in the United States have to be bred domestically. We're not allowed to import them anymore. So all birds have to be bred in the United States. So my birds come primarily from the southern states, where it's warmer and they don't have to heat their warehouse.
We're going to Virginia Beach just to pick up some food at a wholesaler, some different kinds of seed and stuff. And then we're going to a breeder's home to pick up some baby cockatiels.
So we get birds from Texas, Florida, California, Oklahoma. I do get a few birds from Michigan, of all places, and then we have some breeders in Virginia as well.
All right, sweeties. Come on, can I take you here? So they're fed at 8 in the morning, noon, 4 in the afternoon, and then 8 at night. Dry formula specifically for baby birds. Oh no, you're starving. There you go. All right.
You able to listen to them the whole way home?
Obviously, I have to do the stuff behind the scenes, all the employee stuff, the schedules, buying all the dry goods, ordering birds, stuff like that.
Hi, I'm Mary. Last name's Wild, matches Wild's Wingdom. We supply birdies all over the world with everything that makes them happy and healthy. So what you looking for today?
I just need some feed to get by today. I'm not going to grab much, but I was coming for cockatiels. So. And it's been hard to get.
A lot of it to a store in the Midwest.
It's much harder to breed birds now. It's much harder to get the birds, to maintain an inventory, and to make a decent profit.
You can see they're floor to ceiling with toys. All these are boxes of toys. Going to get a couple of swings. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they ship all over the world here.
Oh, it's under American Bird. Okay.
In the United States, the bird industry is growing. The percentage of people that own birds is definitely growing. At the same time, we're losing pet stores every day. When I took over the store 10 years ago, there were at least half a dozen stores in the immediate area that sold birds. Now in the DC, Virginia area, there's 2. There's myself and there's my competitor across the way. So the bird-specific stores are dying faster than regular pet stores. So we're kind of going out of style. We're anachronistic, I guess. We do different things to try to get people in here. We will help you with training your bird if we need to. We do the wings and the nails. We do it for free, just to give you a reason to come to our store. There's a lot of different things like that we're doing to try to grow our business and to keep the bird store alive. Because you know, without a place like this, most people aren't going to be introduced to birds. They're not going to grow up with birds or wanting a bird. So it's kind of important to continue to do this work to proliferate the particular species that are running out of space to live in the wild, need to be raised domestically. This is 24/7. You can't take a day off. During baby season, we're going to start seeing babies every week or every other week. So sometimes we're hand feeding 300 birds So it's an amazing amount of work. To hand feed 300 birds 3 times a day, that's 12 man hours. So it's a lot of work. There's not much profit. There's long hours. So there's a lot of challenges along with the joys. But you know, we get people that, I've had people name their birds after me. I have people that consistently call and tell me how much they love their bird and what a big difference it made in their life. And you know, those are the days that you feel the best. You know, that's what we're trying to do.